Ever wondered how a simple equation can draw a beautiful, repeating wave? Today, we're diving into the world of sine functions to uncover their hidden properties. Let's start with our function. Y equals 5 sine of 3x minus pi plus 2. To understand it, we compare it to the general form. Y equals a sine of b times x minus h plus k. First, let's find the amplitude. The amplitude, a, is the vertical distance from the midline to the peak of the wave. It tells us how tall our wave is. From our equation, we can see that a is 5. This means our wave reaches 5 units above and 5 units below its midline. Next, we find the period. The period is the horizontal distance for one complete cycle of the wave. It's like the length of one wave. The period is calculated as 2 pi divided by b. In our equation, b is 3. So the period is 2 pi divided by 3. Now let's find the phase shift. The phase shift, h, tells us how much the wave is shifted horizontally. The phase shift is h equals pi divided by 3. This means our wave starts its cycle pi divided by 3 units to the right of the origin. Finally, we find the vertical shift. The vertical shift, k, tells us how much the wave is shifted vertically. The vertical shift is k equals 2. This means our wave is shifted 2 units up from the x-axis. So to summarize, our wave has an amplitude of 5, a period of 2 pi divided by 3, a phase shift of pi divided by 3 to the right, and a vertical shift of 2 units up.